Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You see a filtered chart, Act Now. Click the chart to reveal its data range and note whether it is built from a normal table, a named range, or a pivot chart tied to a pivot table. Once done, go to the source table or the pivot table sheet. Make sure you can edit it. You do not need to save first, but verify the workbook is not protected. Now move to the exact data area so you can remove filters that are affecting the graph. Now remove the filters that change the plot. If the chart uses an Excel table, clear each header filter or convert the table to a range so filters stop applying. If it's a normal range with auto filter, go to Data and click Clear Filters. For pivot charts, select the linked pivot table and choose Pivot Table Analyze, then clear filters or remove slicers affecting it. Once filters are removed, the chart updates automatically. Make sure to refresh the pivot table if needed. Finish by confirming the chart displays the full dataset. Refresh any pivot tables so the chart pulls updated records, and inspect for hidden rows or filtered named ranges that still exclude items. If changes did not apply, check for active slicers or timelines, clear or disconnect them. If workbooks are protected, you may lack permission to clear filters, unprotect, or ask the owner. One quick troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.